It's well known that the readability of lowercase letters is greater than that of capital letters. There are three choices you have for headings and subheadings: all or full capital letters, sentence case, and title case. Full capital letters are self-explanatory, and sentence case is where the first letter is a capital letter with all the others lowercase unless there is a proper noun or proper name. Proper nouns like people's names and proper names like the sales department always have initial capital letters. Title case is a little more complicated. Title case in writing occurs when each major word has an initial uppercase, with the exception of short prepositions like of, to, in, for, and on, coordinating conjunctions like and, but, or, for, nor, yet, or so, subordinating conjunctions including after, although, if, unless, or because, correlative conjunctions like both and, either or, neither nor, and the articles the, a, or an if they are not the first word. Consider this example. In the first section of the document's outline, sentence case is used for level 3 headings and title case is used for level 4 headings. That's inconsistent, so it's not right. We need to change title case to sentence case or sentence case to title case. Most business writers tend to prefer title case. Here is an example that shows when my preference would be to use sentence case. Notice how all level 2 headings are written in title case. These are descriptive and therefore longer headings, and I think it looks messy. Look how much neater it looks when sentence case is used. Just one more thing. Similar to the previous comment, when headings are written as direct or indirect questions, it's best to use sentence case.